will solve the problem on the factors method. So sorry, furnace method. So I told the theory background about the how we have to solve the problem on the furnace method. But in the problematic, so in this problem they are given the origin and the destination with the number of the trips, but the few. So as soon as you get this, so you put this table from here to here, you put it, okay, from here to here you put it later. So after this, then you just draw another 3 columns, this one, this one, this one, column wise and row wise. You have to draw 3 rows and 3 columns, okay. The first one is the total number of the present trips, and the second one is the predicting the future trips, and third one is the origin growth factor, okay. This is refers for origin and this is refers for destination, okay. So now for this whatever the origin in the 1 1 and 1 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, the origin and the destination trips are there, respective whatever it is there, you add all this, that 8 3 16 and 15, okay. This is what, okay, add all this together and you will get 42, 28, 29 and 25. How? So all each whatever it is here, so you have to keep on adding, okay. So you have to keep on adding and you will get the total present trips, okay, like that here also, okay. So in that is row wise, this is column wise also you keep on adding. After adding you will get this number 26, 24, 34 and 40, okay. Same wise here also, the all this value you will get it by adding this, okay. So this is about, what is this total number of the trips on the row wise and column wise, okay, present trips. So next is the predicting future number of the trips. It will be given in the question, okay. Origin and the destination, it will be given directly, you write it as it is. So now you know this also, okay. No problem. Next what you have to do is, so whatever the given total number of the trips which is been presented and the trips which has been predicted, so whatever this number is there, divide the predicting the future number of the trips divided by the total trips which has been present, okay. 147 divided by 42. If you divide this, you will get 3.5, okay. So this is how every trips, whatever the every trips is there, that if you divide it, you will get this. The same way here also, this is for destination, okay. So this is for origin, all whatever the factor 3.5, 1.5, 1.1, 1.2, all this are the growth factor, origin growth factor. Remember, you should be, this is very important, this is origin growth factor, this is destination growth factor, okay. Same way here also, 39 divided by 26, 24 divided by 24 and 68 divided by 34 and 120 divided by 40. Thus you will get 1.5, 1, 2, 3, like this you will get. This is the destination growth factor, okay. How the for the concrete you will multiple with a factor of unit 1.5, like that for origin and the destination also there is a growth factor. So that value you have been determined, okay. Next after doing this, so whatever I shown the growth factor, so that growth factor whatever you got, so that one you have to multiple whatever the table inside, whatever this inside was there, for that one you have to multiple, okay. Now consider this, you got this value, okay. What is this? The origin growth factor and the destination growth factor, you got it. Okay, so next what you have to do is you multiple with this. Okay, whatever the values are there, you multiple with this. Okay, origin and the destination growth factor, whatever it is there, you have to multiple. Okay, so after multiplying, whatever the values you will, whatever the values you will get it now. So that is what it has been written here. Okay, okay, that table is been written here. Okay, the same. So consider it is the whatever the growth factor it is there. So growth factor that has to be multiple with the number. Okay. So consider here now all this value will get it by multiplying. Okay, so now you got origin, destination, till here you will get it. Okay, now same here, you have to take the, here you have to write it here, total, predicting the trips and predicting the trips. Okay, total and predicted trips both, but growth factor. Okay, here growth factor, you are finding the growth factor of an origin. Okay, so here you are doing the new analysis. Okay, so whatever the matrix which is given in the base year distribution, from the value of the predicting the future analysis, where the origin and the destination, the origin growth factors and the destination growth factor are been calculated for a zone each, and the column of the matrix is then scaled by the approximate destination growth factor, such that the column total becomes equal to the predictor columns. Okay, then this result, the row totals not following with the predicting totals, then new set of the origin of the growth factor is been, now it should be computed again, it should be calculated for each zones by dividing the predicting trips total by the total which has been obtained by the row by the column, for the whatever it has been mentioned earlier. Okay, it has to be continued. So again, whatever it is there, you add it. Okay, all together you add it. Okay, like this you also add it, you will get total here and here. Okay, both in row wise and column wise you will get it. This is the predicting trips. This is also predicting trips, that is 39, 24, 68 and 120. This is the common. Okay, for every steps, when it is not equal, you have to do it continuously. Okay, now whatever it is there here, the total trips, whatever it is there, you add it, you will get this one, and the predicting total trips, you add this and you will get 251. Okay, now the both it remains same. So in the next, what you have to do is, so whatever you will get this growth factor whatever it is getting, so that one you have to multiple with each columns. Okay, so each columns you have to multiple, so you will get this first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so same for this till here you will get it. So but for the total, so row wise and column wise you have to add it and you have to write the total. Next is predicting the total trips. Okay, so after adding this, okay, after adding this, so you will get this number. Predicting the number, it is given in the question, so write as it is. Okay, so then if you multiple, if you add all together, either you come from this direction and this direction, if the both number lies 251, there you have to stop it. Okay, next you divide with the predicting number of the trips with the total number of trips, and destination growth factor you leave it as it is. This is for distribution growth factor and this is for origin growth factor. When these two total remains same, at that point you have to leave it. Okay, till that point you have to continue. When this is the problem on furnace method, so all the problem you have to continue and do it the problem like this. So this and completes the third module. Okay, a very very important module, and whatever the problems whichever I teach it now, that all are very important for examination.